Welcome to 3D Wonders. If you're unsure whether QUICKSURFACE Lite or QUICKSURFACE Pro is the right fit for your 3D scanning workflow, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between the two versions so you can confidently choose the solution that meets your specific needs. Let's start with what both versions share. QUICKSURFACE Lite and QUICKSURFACE Pro support importing scan data with up to 100 million triangles, giving you the freedom to work with high-resolution meshes without compromise. An advanced mesh alignment algorithm is included in both versions. This ensures precise positioning of scan data, providing a solid foundation for the reverse engineering process. Freeform modeling tools are also available in both Lite and Pro. These tools enable users to sculpt and shape geometry directly on scan data, supporting a flexible modeling workflow. Now, let's explore what sets QUICKSURFACE Pro apart from the Lite version. QUICKSURFACE Pro features advanced segmentation algorithms for primitive extraction. This dramatically accelerates the process of identifying and converting scan regions into geometric shapes. While both versions include 2D sketching, the Pro version enhances the experience with Automatic Sketch Assist. This tool intelligently detects sketchable profiles, reducing manual work and saving time. Auto-surfacing capabilities are present in both versions. However, QUICKSURFACE Pro applies a more refined algorithm that produces a closer and more accurate surface fit, especially important for organic or freeform shapes. QUICKSURFACE Lite does not include trimming functionality. As a result, additional CAD software is required to cut or clean up models. In contrast, trimming is fully integrated in the Pro version, streamlining the workflow. Now, let's look at features you'll only find in QUICKSURFACE Pro. The roll and unroll function enables flattening complex curved surfaces into 2D and rebuilding them in a simplified form. This is especially useful for working with labels, sheet metal, or surface details. Hybrid modeling in QUICKSURFACE Pro combines prismatic and freeform modeling in one seamless environment. This feature expands the design possibilities for more complex real-world applications. Pro-only features include tolerance controls for chamfers and fillets. These tools are critical for converting scan data into precise production-ready CAD models. QUICKSURFACE Lite is ideal for users working on personal projects, educational use, or those combining multiple software platforms. QUICKSURFACE Pro is recommended for engineers and professionals who need a complete tool set within a single platform for fast, accurate, and efficient reverse engineering. Thanks for watching. To learn more about QUICKSURFACE further, or make a purchase, visit us at 3dwonders.shop. We offer a 30-day free trial plus bundle discounts when you purchase a 3D scanner and software together. For in-depth guidance, don't forget to check out 3D Wonders YouTube channel, where you'll find exclusive QUICKSURFACE tutorials to help you get the most out of your software. Have questions? We're here to help. Email us at hello@3dwonders.shop or call us at 1-888-608-9088.